Welcome to our detailed comparison of the AMD Ryzen 75800X and the Ryzen 5500. In this video, we will dive into the specifications, performance metrics, and pricing of these two powerful processors. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or just looking for a solid CPU for your next build, this comparison will help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to performance, the AMD Ryzen 75800X takes the lead with its 8 cores and 16 threads, making it an exceptional choice for gaming and multitasking. With a base clock speed of 3.8 GHz and the ability to boost up to 4.7 GHz, it handles demanding tasks with ease. In contrast, the Ryzen 5500, with its 6 cores and 12 threads, offers solid performance for its price, with a base clock of 3.6 GHz and a boost of 4.2 GHz. While it may not match the 5800X in heavy multi-threaded applications, it still provides a great experience for casual gaming and everyday tasks. Price is a significant factor when choosing a processor. The AMD Ryzen 75800X is priced at $449, making it a premium option for those who demand top-tier performance. On the other hand, the Ryzen 5500 is much more budget-friendly at $159, providing excellent value for gamers and users who don't need the highest specs. This price difference makes the 5500 an attractive choice for those looking to build a powerful system without breaking the bank. In terms of specifications, the Ryzen 75800X features a TDP of 105W, supports PCIe 4.0, and has a larger cache of 36 MB, which enhances its performance in various applications. Conversely, the Ryzen 5500 has a lower TDP of 65W and supports PCIe 3.0, which may limit its future-proofing capabilities. However, it still offers a respectable 16 MB cache, making it a solid choice for most users. Overall, the 5800X is geared towards enthusiasts and professionals, while the 5500 caters to budget-conscious consumers. In conclusion, both the AMD Ryzen 75800X and the Ryzen 5500 have their strengths and weaknesses. The 5800X is ideal for those seeking high performance and are willing to invest in it, while the 5500 offers great value for budget-conscious users. Ultimately, your choice should depend on your specific needs and budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.